So let's check out this house. We are at Angeline, which is a community that's going to have a lagoon, and it already has the farmhouse thing towards the front of the community. That's already up and running, so something to check out. And this is a 55 and over active adult community from Lennar. So let's check out this house. Now this house has a tile roof. This is the dawning. I think it's the dawning. Actually, I can't see my camera's screen with my sunglasses on there. Polarized sunglasses, and it completely blocks out the camera's screen. So I got to look away from it, or look away from my glasses, I guess, underneath them or above them. Anyway, back to the house. So this house has a tile roof and pretty wide driveway overall, as you could see, and it has parking for a golf cart or a motorcycle. Well, I guess whatever you could fit in there. Ooh, is it hot? I think it's 92 degrees, so. Alright, so to the left, this room looks like it could have been a bedroom, but they have this as a big open room. So it's set up as kind of like an office or a meeting room. Oh, that's what this is. It's a bicycle. I was like, what is this? Yeah, it's kind of hard when I'm looking in the camera's viewer. And also, of course, it's the first time I'm seeing this house because I don't like to see homes before I make the video. I like it to be an honest reaction. It's all about honesty from the start. Oh, so this is pretty wide. Wow, I'm looking at the space from where the sink is to where the stove is. And this is electric. So definitely some extra space on each side of the garage door. You could see to the right of the door there's space, and to the left of the door there's good space as well. Oh, and they painted the floor. That's nice. Well, this is for the model. You know, the house that you have might not be painted. The same way something like this right here probably won't come with your house. It might, but it might not, because it is a model, so they tend to really upgrade these models, most builders. I'm going to come back for the pantry. I'm headed towards the covered patio, or the lanai. It's already screened in, that's nice. And of course your house might not be screened in, I don't know. These are all things that I would check with the builder prior to purchasing. It's not common that builders screen those in, though. This is a big master bedroom, really big. You can see where I'm standing. There's just a lot of floor space. That's a large closet, wow. Camera's not going to do it any justice, but it is. It's amazing how big the closets are in some communities. Alright, so toilet in the closet room. It's a pretty long toilet in the closet. Definitely pretty long. Where's my foot? There it is. So pretty interesting bathroom because it does connect to another room, which is really nice. Yeah, it's really nice. I need a house like this where I can go from my my TV room, right to my bathroom, right to my bed. Real lazy. I know, it's real lazy. Let's see, where am I? I guess I'll go left. What's this? Towel closet. And a bedroom. So far, I think this house is pretty nice. It's different. It's kind of making me guess because I'm looking around, and then I'm kind of second guessing where I was. It's like, okay, I came in this way through the master bedroom, and now we're back into the kitchen, the living room, and the dining room. So pretty nice. Look at that. Yeah, big pantry. Anything back here? Nope. Okay, so what do I think about this house before I walk out? Well, I like this this room just because it's so open over here. It's not a bedroom, but I guess if you wanted to in the future, you could call somebody in to put up a wall here, a contractor. The kitchen is a nice size. Let me move this back a little bit. The kitchen's a nice size because it feels very spacious, this kitchen. This kitchen feels more like the kitchen that you would see in like a luxury house. I mean, it doesn't look like it, but it feels like it. Just kind of like how it's spaced. And I think for me, what really sells me with this house is this master bedroom. Of course, it has a big closet. I mean, they all have big closets. But I like this. I like that, you know, you could just walk into your bathroom and then you go from your bathroom right into a bedroom. And then the laundry's over here too, so there's another bedroom, another bathroom, and the laundry room is right over here. So, I think it's very practical. But that's usually what I'm all about, practical. So, yeah, practical single-story house. I don't like too many single-story homes, but I do like this one. So, Lennar did a good job on this one. And check out my website at richnotohomes.com. You can find the latest homes for sale at the bottom of each community's page. If it's listed on the MLS,